Hello and welcome to part 3 of this Revit tutorial. In this tutorial, we're just going to touch on how to assign materials to that geometry that we've created. Let's get into it. But now, before we go back, we have to select all of them and make sure we can assign materials to them. So there's this thing here, material. So there is where you edit the material. So if I just click those 3 dots next to that, after you've selected them, then you could choose a material. The piece of cloth, the type of fabric that you're looking for is not usually here by default. So create new material. Fabric. Then, so this is not yet fabric. I have to, if I go to appearance, this is just still a generic material of this fabric. So if I'll have to import an asset that will now make it look like fabric. So I'm just typing here fabric. So I clicked this button here that made this thing appear. So we can choose from a number of fabrics that are here. I think we want to use linen, so a beige linen. So if I click this, it will now replace the material of fabric. Now we'll be able to see this fabric. For advanced ways of editing materials, that will be a different video, but this will suffice. Use render appearance for graphics so that we can see it as brown. And if I say OK, now those are our fabrics. So when I say finish model, now remember we are making a generic model of these cloths. So when I say finish model, that's when we can go back to selecting everything else of Revit, the columns, the beams, and now this system of fabrics will be like one big element. And if you want to edit it again for some reason, then just select this edit in place, where now you can delete an individual one or change the material or add another one, whatever you wish. And then remember to finish model. So yeah, there is our system of fabrics. And if I use a camera to kind of view that, shaded. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video series. If you liked it, you can please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see more different things modeled in Revit, you can just hit me up on the comment section, or you can DM me on the Instagram link, my Instagram page and my Twitter page that are available in this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.